Okay, hi, my name's Maliki, and this is the start of what we're calling Project Big. So basically the idea here is that we are going to construct a traditional southern US style pit barbecue in a small backyard. So I've got no experience of this. Basically, I'm not professional, I'm not even an amateur, this is a first time build. So it's just me, a group of friends, and some building materials. So first night in, we're basically just putting the pit together. So we've got together all the materials we're going to need. So I'll basically just walk you through what we've got here and how we're going to put it together. So the first thing we've got down here, a couple of bags of builder's sand. The idea here is because, as you can see, the yard we're working in is already fully paved. We want to put down some sacrificial paving because we don't want this stuff getting cracked. So the builder's sand is there basically just for us to level off the surface first of all. Once we've got that down, the next bit of material we're going to use is around the back here. So what we've done, we've got hold of about 8 cheap concrete paving slabs, and they're going to go down and they're going to make the base. So no matter how much heat we're exposing this to, even if these things start to crack, it's not going to be a problem. If we had gravel down, or this was just sort of open grassland, soil, we could actually just build straight off the base and move the coals in under there. But because we're working on flags, we're putting down a sacrificial base. So then the bulk of our pit is this stuff here. So we've got 44 concrete blocks. This is going to give us a 4-block high build, about 2 meters by 1 meter pit. And with these, we've basically gone for 2 15mm wide. So that means that you've got a wide enough block that you can build up several heights without putting a mortar bed in. If you went for a standard sort of 100mm block, you'd find after you got to 3 or 4 stacks, it's going to start wobbling, and by the time you've got your pig on there, the weight of that is probably going to pull the thing over in one way or another. So they're going up next. Once we've got our base down, we start building up the pit. Once we've got the pit up, halfway, we're going to need to put the grill on. So the grill is back here. So if you take a look down the back there, what we've got here is a 2.5 by 1.5 meter sheet of expanded metal, and you can pretty much order these from most builders' yards. What we've gone for a 2.5mm flat mild steel grill on that. So that's going to form the base of the grill. Once we've got that in, the rest of the block work goes on. And then finally you'll see we've got 2 sheets of plywood there, 8x4. So what they're going to do, they're going to make up the lid and also the side of the grill. So only 3 sides of it are going to be covered by the block. So the back of it and the 2 sides down either side. The front then is open so that we can start front loading with charcoal and with the timber, and then we're going to cover the top afterwards. So once that's all sealed up, charcoal's burning, pigs on the grill, that's going to smoke really nicely. Now the other way we could have done this was actually to build the whole thing round in block and then pull out a bottom section to load the charcoal in. But because the way we're grilling, we're actually going to have charcoal and timber sort of based at 4 corners, we needed as much access as possible. Hence we've gone for 3 sides, timber covered down each. So as you can see, we're already firing up some timber and charcoal. What we're going to do tonight, we're going to have a bit of a cookout, a bit of a barbecue before the barbecue. So this is day 1, and what we're going to be doing tonight is actually putting this thing together.